at 1,935 crore rupees, but a loss reported during the quarter of over 3,000 crore rupees, and that's on the back of a sharp increase in gross bad loans in the quarter, and as a result of which they've taken significantly higher provisioning during the quarter. We're joined by Chandra Shekhar Ghosh, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Bandhan Bank. Thank you so much, Mr. Ghosh, for taking the time. Take us through the story of the quarter gone by. Clearly some pressure being evident in the asset quality of the bank. What's the story here?
What I saw in the second wave has come in the May in the eastern region, even in the May, June, July. And that was a severe than the first wave. The people are face this problem, even the rural. So that the second quarter, even heated some of the collection and the credit growth. But normally, the credit growth will start before the puja. But what we see compared to the first quarter to the second quarter, the very good way collection efficiency have been improved. 19% collection efficiency improved from the June. So that have been given the very good comfort. The customer is coming back. If I go to this, another point, DPD point, the 30 DPD, which is a SMA 0, the 50% has come down in this quarter compared to the first quarter. And the SMA 1, it has come down to 25%. And SMA 2, there is a flat. That means showing it, the customer is coming back to regularize. And another indicator we found in this quarter, that is saying that the first quarter, 9% customer are not paying in a microcredit loan, which has come to the second quarter, 4%, it's come down. And whatever the partial installment paying customer, 29% has come down 17%, but full paying customer has come up from 62% to 79%. All these three parameters, given the good comfort from the customer perspective, they are coming back to the business, and also credit demand is coming, credit queries have been started. So we are feel that very comfort on that. Whatever the stress we are calculate on that basis, we are account for in a one time, and focus for this next 2 quarters will be the business growth and the profit growth.
All right, Mr. Ghosh, clearly there is some improvement in the disbursements on a sequential basis particularly, but the asset quality picture, and perhaps taking from what you're saying on account of the COVID-19 pandemic, has taken a bit of a battering. What's the outlook there?
No, if I mentioned a couple of things on that, the asset quality is gradually improved from today, and it has been shown that October, that is on day-to-day basis, we are tracking, we find out on that improving in the same line of the September. So that it is in hope on that couple of months we have needed on that to come as a pre-COVID situation. But the credit growth part, it will be started always in the 1 month before of the puja. It has been started on that, and whatever the queries we have been received from the customer, and they are coming back to this, the group meeting and the queries of the branch, we hope that this second 2 quarters will be the credit growth is a normal of the pre-COVID situation. For that reason, we see that the portfolio quality and also the credit growth both are coming very good as a pre-COVID situation.
Right. Mr. Ghosh, also wanted to understand from here on, do you expect your numbers to see an improvement?
Very correct on that. Worst is over. Now newly think on that, how we can be like to move from today.
Tell us a little bit more about, Mr. Ghosh, how you're looking to diversify your loan book.
If I say that the diversified in a three strategy in the bank, we are saying the first strategy, we are like to you like to diversify our group loan customer who are the best in their business and their model of the repayment is very good. These the customers are transferring from the group to individual, which is now 10% of this the portfolio as a transformed from the total bank portfolio. But if I say that the group portfolio, it is in 14% have been shifted to individual loan from the group loan, and quality of this loan is very fantastic on that. This is in one side, will be continue next 2 quarters and again on that. And this the way now see that the 57% of our EEB book is coming from the out of this all total portfolio. And it will be like to see that the next 2 quarters, it will become to 50%. So it is down on that, the group loan more in future and going to this, the individual loan. Second point on that, we are focusing on retail loan. Retail loan other than housing loan, there is a gold loan, personal loan, and two-wheeler loan. We have seen in that the last 2 quarters, 50% quarter on quarter basis growth is coming. And the disbursement growth is coming very good, which is more than 50%. And this is a future of the bank to diversify the book from the group loan to this other sector on that. And this retail loan, quality wise, very good, excellent quality we are maintaining till now on that. Third one is in our housing loan. Strategy is a housing loan will be grow. But in that sense, we are merger the housing loan company from the Gruho, and that merger have been completed. And last quarter, we have seen that 93% disbursement happened quarter on quarter basis. But little bit, some amount of the portfolio are taken over by other bank because of the rate. So amount wise outstanding is not increased more, but we see that there is a good improvement is coming to this growth of this housing loan. And fourth, we are trying to increase and our portfolio SME focusing is more less than 5 crores, and that is also growing 30% in this quarter. So all together, MSME, housing, retail loan, individual loan from the group loan, all together we are like to go reach 2025 vision, which is 30, 30, 30, and only 10% by retail loan.
Okay, Mr. Ghosh, we'll leave it at that. Good to chat with you as always. In fact, on that note, we're going to wind it up on this edition.